Dakota's beautiful. Vast farmlands, few trees to the east. Corn Palace in Mitchell, a landmark suitable. To the west, ranchlands where cows feast. Experience your world, if only for a day. Wall Drug, the ranchland landmark. Gold mines, rallies, and Custer State Park. Outlaws, Rushmore, and Crazy Horse Monument. North, Central, and South, where the Lakota was sent. Experience your world, if only for a day. Famous is the Pine Ridge Reservation. Pierre is the state capital location. Every part of the country has majestic features. Take the opportunity to learn from nature's teachers. Experience your world, if only for a day. Experience nature's awesome, wondrous power. The Badlands or the Missouri iced over. Fish for walleye, visit a buffalo ranch. Awesome power of nature, don't miss the chance. Experience your world, if only for a day. From South Dakota to New Mexico, follow the mountains reaching high up to the heavens.